Hi, who are we here with?
I'm Reagan Edgerton. I'm the sound designer and engineer. Mix the shows.
And today, Reagan, we're going to be playing a game called What's That Sound? Where basically we're going to be playing sound effects that are created with different common items, and you have to guess what items made that sound.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
First sound.
Do we want to do this on my... Oh, I don't have my computer.
It's a walking horse.
Yeah.
But do you know what would make that sound?
Coconuts, like Spamalot.
Yep.
Bing, bing, bing.
Yeah. All right. Next up. This is the sound effect of rain.
Oh. That's static.
It is not.
So many things can make rain sounds. So many things. I'm just trying to think. Like, rice. I don't know why. Like rice. Like,
You get
no.
3 guesses?
Yeah. So
Oh,
you have one
okay.
more
2.
guess.
She's only guessed 1.
Oh, no.
She guessed rice.
Just water.
Mm-mm.
Are you like crinkling something?
I'm not doing anything.
I know, but like, is it like tissue paper?
No.
No. The correct answer is bacon.
Cooking bacon.
Oh my god.
All right. The next up is the sound of breaking bones.
Oh my god.
This is like real quick, so ready?
Okay.
Played a couple times.
I've used that sound effect. Oh my god. In The Giver, we used it, but it got cut. That's funny. Is it, one more time. Like a piece of wood?
No.
Okay.
Close.
Close.
Kind of.
I don't know, like a chicken bone, maybe?
One more guess.
A stick. Well, I just said wood!
The correct answer was a piece of celery.
Oh my god.
All right.
I got the first one right and I thought I was the best.
This next one is gunshots. Ready?
Yeah.
You should know this one.
Yeah, you should.
Is it just like smacking with a pan?
No.
I really should know this. Oh my god.
The sound is familiar to you in places other than sound design.
Think last year.
Staple gun!
All right. The next one, I don't know if you're actually going to be able to hear, but we'll try. It's snow.
Oh,
Walking in
in
snow.
snow.
Did not say that.
That's an uncomfortable sound.
Yeah. Wait, okay. That's disgusting.
All right.
Um,
Start guessing.
crunch. What would make that crunch? Like, I really...
Do you just want to skip that one?
Yeah,
All right. The correct answer was cornstarch.
I would have never gotten that.
All right. This next one is arrows. Ready?
Yeah. I was close. Swinging something.
Swinging what?
You could swing anything and make that sound.
It is a very specific answer on this site.
Yeah.
A stick.
What kind of stick?
A birch stick.
No.
Oh my god. Can I have that one? It's a stick.
No. It's very specific. Actually, the word stick is nowhere in the answer.
Well, they're swinging a thin, elongated object.
What's it made out of?
Plastic.
No.
No.
Wood.
No. Ish.
Kind of.
That just. What?
It's like up for interpretation of if it's wood or not.
What?
Last guess.
In my heart, I got this right. So.
Guess. What's wood but not wood?
Wood, but not wood. Like. I don't know.
Okay, the correct answer was bamboo. This.
Are you-
It's wood but not wood.
I said swinging elongated object, wood. Bamboo
All right.
is wood.
Hey, next one.
Is that-
Grass. Walking on grass, I believe.
Tall grass.
Tall grass, okay. It sounds like the cornstarch one again.
It's different.
Is it flour? No. Can you play it one more time?
You actually guessed this one for cornstarch.
What did I guess for cornstarch? Crunching, like tissue paper?
A type of paper.
We
Tissue
are not
paper's
going
close
to
enough.
Construction paper, tissue paper, assorted paper,
Newspaper.
newspaper.
All right. The next one is thunder.
Oh.
Ready?
What kind of household item makes that sound?
And you probably won't have it in your house.
If you okay. Well then,
But it
this
is
game is rigged.
but it's not like uncommon. You could find it in this room, I bet.
Can I go get a sheet?
I don't know if it's
A
this.
sheet. Sandpaper.
No. It's only making the thunder, it's not making the rain that accompanies it.
Okay. Like
We don't know if it's exactly in this room, but something similar would be in this room.
sheet of metal.
Yes.
Yep.
Aluminum.
I knew.
All right. The next one is the sound effect of punching.
There are two answers for this one.
We'll give you either.
I love stock sound effects. They're my favorite things. A ruler smacking something.
No.
That's just not a punch. Sounds like breaking a piece of wood.
Mm-mm. One more guess. It is hitting something.
I feel like that will help me.
Yeah. It actually would.
Is it like you hitting? One more time.
I don't. It wasn't gonna change.
Smacking paper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A phone book. Or a slab of meat.
Or a slab of meat.
All right. The next one gives you sound of crackling fire.
How many are these?
You close again.
Bubble wrap.
Kind of, but no.
I can't think of anything other than bubble wrap or like packing peanuts.
You're so close.
Yeah.
Bubble wrap, packing peanuts, or what else? What else is used in packaging? Is it used in packaging?
Yes.
Play it one more time.
This one's actually difficult, so we can give it to you if you want.
Please.
Cellophane.
Cellophane. Saran wrap. Plastic wrap.
Oh.
All right. The next one is the sound of heartbeats. Ready?
Oh yeah,
Heartbeats are very subtle.
Yeah.
Okay, I can't hear them. I also do have trouble
Get
hearing bass
closer.
frequencies. Oh my god, I can barely hear this.
Well, you know what a heartbeat sounds like, friend.
Yeah,
think
but
it-
well, that's like
This sounds like an accurate heartbeat.
okay.
It sounds like what we used in the Giver.
Okay.
It's like,
One we used in the Giver was
it sounds like if you're listening to a heartbeat through like a stethoscope.
yeah. Tapping on like metal or like
Yeah, trash cans.
All right. The next one is the sound of falling bodies. You ready?
Yeah. Play it again. Are you smacking something else?
Yeah, it was actually, this is a repeat.
It's dropping things, but it is something that was already an insert.
Oh, a phone book?
Yeah.
All right. And the last one is the sound of skulls.
Crushing skulls.
Oh my god! Is that like bubble wrap?
No.
Crunching a water bottle.
No.
That's actually a really good guess, though.
One more time. If it's not the bubble wrap or bottle, I have no idea what it could be.
It's walnuts.
Walnuts.
Yeah.
I guess that could be a skull.
All right. Last question for you. Why should people come and see nice work if you can get it?
Because the music is incredible. Like, some of the best soundtrack that I've ever heard. And the dance numbers are great, and I love ensemble numbers.
Okay, thank you so much for playing with us, Reagan. And don't forget to check out our videos every week and come see Nice Work if you can get it. April 13th, 14th, 20th, and 21st.